Hey guys, I'm Nikki and welcome to Nikki Bacolod Friends and Nikki Bacolod fan page. Well, first of all, I would like to thank all of you for supporting me and of course yung dito sa kami din dito sa Resalta for supporting us. Thank you so much. I would like to thank of course yung admin, kay Ate Sheila, kay Mario, kay Jen Ocampo, kay Mona Yesa, kay Dad, Verhel, Carl Estevez, Ate Lenny Devidia, Kuya Jules, Cristel, Ate Christy, Ate Stan, Ate Wang, Kuya Alvin, and of course, kay Karen. Thanks, Gar. And, of course, sa mga members din, thank you so much, guys. And thank you for the greetings. And, Jen, thank you also for the card straight from Italy. See? From Italy. Huh? Ate Apple! Ate Apple! Hi, I miss you. Jen, thank you. I'll open this. Hindi. Bukas kasi birthday ko, but for sure mapapanood ito after na my birthday, so bukas ko na ito bubuksan sa 18 talaga. Thank you guys, I love you.